Hey friends, in today's video we will watch an interesting dialogue along with its Hindi translation so that you can easily understand it. At the end we will also learn some important words and phrases used in this exchange. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Wow, what a match! That was an absolute nail biter. Seriously, I was on the edge of my seat till the last ball. India played with unbeatable passion and skill just like true champions. The way they held their nerves in the last few hours was commendable, especially the captain's strategy. Absolutely, his field placement and bowling changes were spot on, and what a spell by our first bowler. That Yorker in the final over was insane. The batsman had no clue how to play that. And how about that six by our opener? That shot was straight out of a dream. I literally jumped off my couch. That was pure class. And let's not forget the fielder who saved those crucial runs. Right, every single effort counted today. The team played with so much passion. No doubt, they lifted the trophy after such a stellar performance. They totally deserved it. This match will be remembered for years, a perfect ending to a thrilling tournament. Vocabularies: nail biter, रोमांचक मुकाबला, on the edge of my seat, बहुत उत्सुकता से देखना, held your nerves, दबाव में संयम बनाए रखना, commendable, प्रशंसनीय, spot on, बिल्कुल सही, spell, bowling spell, गेंदबाजी की शानदार अवधि, straight out of a dream, सपने जैसा, stellar performance, शानदार प्रदर्शन. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.